Want to play Roblox VR games on your Meta Quest 3? Then here's how you install Roblox on your Quest 3 and play your favorite games in virtual reality. The good news is Roblox is readily available to download on your Meta Quest. All you need to do, just open the Meta Horizon store, and now if you just scroll down a bit, you'll see Roblox is already listed as most popular. Or you can also search for Roblox manually, then select it. Now you'll have the Get option, which is download in our case because we already purchased it, and then just wait for the download to finish. Now you can open Roblox right from here, or you can also access it from your library. There you go, now you're on the Roblox login screen. Just log in with your username and password. You can see here the interface is pretty similar to mobile phones or PC. Now, before you jump into a VR game, you can go to More, select VR Tutorial, and jump into this tutorial game made by Roblox themselves. Then you'll get to know the basic controls. Now you can exit out of this game and start searching for your favorite experience. So now just look for your games that you want to play, but note that some games may not have full VR support like hand tracking and head tracking. For example, Please Donate has full VR support. There's also this shooter game which is optimized for VR controls. And on the flip side, there's some games like Lumber Tycoon which doesn't work really well in VR. Now, when you're inside a game, there's some settings that you may want to optimize. We can take World 0 for example. You can see when we move around, there's this vignette or tunnel vision effect that can bother you a lot. So what you can do is open up this three dots menu or settings, and if you don't see this, you can just press the menu button. Then you can head to settings and choose the motion sickness option to custom and click on the custom arrow, after which you'll be able to turn off the vignette and also change the movement type from snap to smooth. And the most important thing, if you want to play Roblox on highest possible graphics settings, then scroll down, disable auto quality mode, and bump up quality level all the way to 10. There you go. Now you're ready to rock and roll in Roblox VR. I wish you happy gaming, and I'll see you around.